Hi, welcome to Math in Minutes, and let's try solving infinite nested radicals. Let's go. So for this sample problem, what I would recommend doing is to combine the non-radical terms to the left side and transpose the radical to the right side of the equation. So in this case, it's x minus 4, and then transpose the radical terms to one side of the equation. So this becomes x minus the square root of x minus the square root of x minus so on. And then what I would do is I would square both sides. So this would give me x squared minus 8x plus 16 is equal to x minus the square root of x minus the square root of x minus square root of x and so on. However, when you look at the right side now of the equation, this one is actually equal to the original answer. So that is equal to 4. Therefore, if we combine or simplify the equation, it would give us x squared minus 8x plus 16 minus 4 is equal to 0, or x squared minus 8x plus 12 is 0. And then we try factoring this out. This gives us x minus 6 and x minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, with the zero factor theorem, x minus 6 is 0, or x minus 2 is 0. X is either 6 or 2. So let's check. When you plug in, for example, 2 minus the square root of 2, will that give us 4? Definitely not, because 2 is already smaller than 4. Whereas if it's 6, it will give us the answer. So for this case, x equals 6 is the final answer, and x equals 2 is what you call an extraneous root. We hope you understand this. Thank you very much.